Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Park and secure the vehicle, then turn the ignition to ACC or on so systems are powered but engine can be off. You do this for safety and to keep the display responsive. Once done, use the touchscreen or the central controller dial, whichever your Q50 has, to open settings, then select clock. Make sure you know if you want 12-hour or 24-hour format. This choice affects the input method and avoids later corrections. With clock open, focus on hours first. Select hour, then rotate the controller or tap the on-screen arrows until the desired hour appears. This precise control prevents overshooting and keeps the system synced. Next, select minutes and change them identically. If you need a large jump, hold the input to speed up increments. If your car uses 12-hour mode, verify AM or PM after setting the digits, because an incorrect AM/PM causes a 12-hour error in daily schedule times. After adjusting minutes, press OK or save to commit the change. The system will usually flash a confirmation and return to the main screen. This final step writes the setting into vehicle memory. If the clock later resets or behaves erratically, check the 12V battery voltage and confirm infotainment software is up to date, because low voltage or outdated firmware often causes clock loss. If problems persist, cycle the ignition once, and if needed, consult a dealer for a firmware reflash or deeper electrical diagnostics.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.